First, log in webpageagc.com. Click on the AI pattern on the right side. Click on the plus sign on the right side. We can see there are 4 functions. They are AI redrawing, text to images, similar patterns, and color scheme. Here, click text to images. Now we have entered the text to images page. Type in the description section to input our pattern requirements. We can include details, elements, colors, or any other specifications we need. Then, we can select the label. We can choose the different printing scales. Choose placement all over pattern scale. And we can select the desired style in style. There are plenty of styles available for us to choose from. AI design can even mimic the desired artistic styles of artists. Click on the desired image size. Click on Intelligent Generation. A set of patterns that we wanted has been generated. Click on View Details. Each pattern can be downloaded and saved as desired. Zoom in or out to view details. Or continue to edit the selected image. The same applies to each pattern. We can click on Favorites to save the patterns we like for easy access. History section on the right side of the page to view the patterns we have generated. Here, click on My Favorites to view the patterns we like.